Are you planning to buy your first property in the Philippines but don't know where to start? Should you buy a house and lot or a condominium? How do you know if the property is legal? What documents should you check before giving your hard-earned money? And most importantly, how do you avoid costly mistakes that could cost you hundreds of thousands or even millions of pesos? In today's video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process of buying your first property in the Philippines. So make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share the most common mistakes first-time buyers make and how you can avoid them. Hello, I am your trusted guide for buying your dream home. And welcome to the Gem of Property Specialist. Just like finding a rare gem, finding the right property requires knowledge, guidance, and the right strategy. On this channel, I'll help you find your dream home with confidence. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more property tips, investment strategies, and real estate guides. Now, let's dive into the step 1. Before looking at properties, ask yourself one important question. Why are you buying? Is it for your own residence? For rental income? For long-term investment? For your growing family? But your purpose will determine location, budget, property type, financing strategy. For example, if your goal is investment, you should focus on areas with future growth potential, rather than simply choosing the cheapest property available. All right, everyone! Before we jump into what's next, it would be my pleasure if you'll subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my upcoming video about making real estate simple, safe, and profitable, and step-by-step guide of how to buy a property in the Philippines. Step 2. Determine your budget. Many first-time buyers focus only on the property's selling price. That's a mistake. There is a big question you may ask yourself. Are you financially ready for acquiring the property? The following are the national costs to be considered before buying the property: reservation fee, down payment, bank financing charges, transfer taxes, registration fees, documentary stamp tax, move-in expenses. A good rule of thumb is to ensure your monthly amortization does not exceed 30% of your monthly income. As a buyer, we should consider our obligation after acquiring the property. Step 3. Choosing the right location. When choosing the right location, remember that you can only renovate the house, but you can never change location, unless you decide to sell or abandon the place. When evaluating an area, check the following: accessibility, schools, hospitals, business centers, future infrastructure projects, flood history, safety and security. Properties in strategic locations often appreciate faster over time. Before we proceed to the next step, if you find this video helpful, please like my video and comment where you are from so I would know how far my video can go. Now let's proceed to the next step. Step 4. Select the right property. Now it's time to choose the property that fits your goals. Whether it is house and lot, condominium, townhouse, residential lot, always inspect the property personally whenever possible. Check everything before you decide: construction quality, ventilation, water supply, internet availability, neighborhood condition. Never buy based solely on photos online. Step 5. Verify legal documents. This is one of the most important steps. Before making any payment, make sure to verify all legal documents on particular property: transfer certificate of title, tax declaration, real property tax receipts, valid government IDs of seller, special power of attorney. You may also request a certified true copy of the title from the Registry of Deeds. Make sure there are no liens, encumbrances, or legal issues attached to the property. Step 6. Secure financing. If you are not paying in cash, you have several financing options. Bank financing, Pag-IBIG housing loan, in-house financing. Compare interest rates, loan terms, and monthly amortization before making a decision. Step 7. Reserve the property. Once you've done your due diligence and are satisfied with the property, you may pay the reservation fee. Upon payment of reservation fee, always request an official receipt and carefully review the reservation agreement. Before we proceed at the next step, please like my video and consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss my upcoming videos. Step 8. Sign the contracts. Read carefully every document before signing. Key documents include contract to sell, deed of absolute sale, loan documents. If something is unclear, seek professional advice before signing. Step 9. Title transfer and registration. After full payment and document processing, ownership will be transferred to your name. The title should be registered properly with the Registry of Deeds. This is the final step that legally establishes your ownership.
In today's property market, finding the opportunity can feel like searching for a hidden gem. That's why this channel is dedicated to helping you discover the best properties, understand the legal process, and make smart decisions with confidence. My mission is simple: to help you make informed property decisions that bring value, security, and long-term financial growth. So whether you're buying your first home, investing in real estate, or simply exploring your options, this channel is here to guide you every step of the way.